Howdy, I'm Dr. Parks and I am trying something new. We have this lovely showcase room where we do public events and the like, and I thought this would be a great way or great place for me to provide lectures, both astronomically related and physics related, given that we have a nifty whiteboard, which hopefully I can erase all of that. But anyway, the next topic that I would like to cover is something that has, it was a topic that I covered in my introductory cosmology class very recently, but it has come to become relevant in the flat Earth discussion. And that is the concepts of the Copernican principle and the cosmological principle. I've heard it often stated that the cosmological principle is, in fact, somehow pseudoscientific, that it is a belief system that has been imposed upon modern science. In my next lecture, I'm going to actually argue quite the opposite, in that the worldview is, in fact, the anthropic principle first really put forward by Aristotle, or at least in the West. And then that anthropic principle eventually evolved into the Copernican principle, but still, even in its birth, the Copernican principle could not relinquish that belief system that, in fact, humanity holds a special place physically in the universe. It was only until the adoption of the cosmological principle that we fully understood the actual complexity of our universe. And so next time I will talk about those differences. I will talk about what each of these particular principles is, their weak and strong forms, and why this is an evolution from a worldview or pseudoscientific belief to a much more honest and scientific way of approaching the universe. I hope you'll watch. I'm hoping to be able to get this done tomorrow morning, so please stay tuned. As always, peace out, clear skies. And it actually is, no, actually tonight the sky kind of sucks where I am. But tomorrow it's going to be good. Anyway, peace out.